Did you know that scientists at Princeton University discovered that your brain can predict the future a few seconds before it happens? Your brain is not just a receiver of reality, it is a creator, constantly filling in the blanks and making you believe in a world that may not even exist the way you think. In surrealism, artists like Salvador Dali tried to capture the strange logic of dreams. But neuroscientists found something even stranger. Your brain can create images and colors you have never seen, and it does this every night while you dream. Studies at Harvard showed that your brain uses up to 20% of your body's energy while awake, even if you just sit still. It constantly mixes memories, emotions, and signals, creating a surreal painting that you call your reality. Like colors mixing in water, your mind is a swirling sea of thoughts, dreams, fears, and ideas. Have you ever experienced déjà vu? Scientists suggest it may happen because your brain misfires while organizing memories, showing how fragile your perception truly is. Your brain has around 86 billion neurons, forming trillions of connections, creating electric storms of thoughts every moment. Some neuroscientists believe your consciousness is a hallucination your brain generates to survive in a complex world. This hallucination is as real to you as the air you breathe. A surreal moment, a whale flying over an ocean, paint mixing into galaxies. This is not just art. Your mind is capable of such visions in dreams without drugs or technology. You're carrying an entire universe inside your head. When you see surreal art, your brain tries to find meaning, even if it's chaos. This process is called pareidolia, where you see faces in clouds or meaning in abstract shapes. It's your brain's way of bringing order to chaos. In a world of noise and chaos, your mind can still create beauty. Every idea, dream, and strange thought is a piece of art happening inside your brain, waiting to be noticed. The next time you see something surreal, remember, your brain is the greatest artist you will ever know. Close your eyes for a moment and think about the universe you carry within you. Somewhere deep inside, endless colors and ideas are waiting to be dreamed. Dreams are the only time when your brain becomes a cinema, projecting stories you did not write, with actors you have never met, in places you have never seen. Studies show that during REM sleep, your brain's activity is almost as intense as when you are awake. In these moments, the subconscious mind creates vivid images, mixing memories and fantasies into something new. This is why dreams often feel surreal and real at the same time, blurring the lines between imagination and memory. The colors you see in your mind are not limited to the colors your eyes can perceive. Some people report seeing colors they cannot describe, shapes they cannot explain, in dreams and deep meditations. Your mind is capable of creating impossible worlds with floating cities, endless oceans, and skies with colors that do not exist in your waking life. This creativity is not magic. It is your brain's natural state when freed from the limits of logic and fear. Scientists have discovered that when you imagine something, the same regions of your brain activate as when you see it in real life. Visualization is not just a tool for athletes or artists. It is a window into how your mind shapes your perception of reality. In a way, your thoughts are rehearsals for your life, And the images you create in your mind can shape the choices you make and the world you experience. Your brain is the most complex structure in the known universe, with more connections than there are stars in the Milky Way. Every thought you have is an electric signal traveling through this vast network, shaping your perception of reality. When you experience art, music, or a surreal image, your brain responds with emotion, memory, and imagination, creating a personal universe inside of you. This is why the surreal feels so powerful. It is a reminder that your mind is capable of endless creation.